You know, there are many different styles of camping. Which one are you? Stay tuned. So in today's video, we're going to do something kind of fun. I found a quiz on Reserve America. It was prepared by Jessica Sanders. Today we're going to go through this quiz. And what this quiz does is it tells us what style of camper we are. Wikipedia defines camping as, camping is an outdoor activity involving overnight stays away from home with or without shelter, such as a tent or a recreational vehicle. Typically, participants leave developed areas to spend time outdoors in more natural ones in pursuit of activities providing them enjoyment. So I think there are three key words in camping. First, you do it outdoors. The second is intent. You intend to spend the night outdoors. And the third is enjoyment, that you spend the night outdoors for the purpose of having a great time. There are many different styles of camping. Let's find out which one you are. I found this quiz in the resources section of Reserve America's website. It was a quiz put together by Jessica Sanders. It's a fun quiz to take, so I'm going to ask a series of questions and there will be 5 answers for each question. Just select the one that best suits you right now. There'll be an A, B, C, D, or E. Just jot down which letter you select. You know, this is just a fun quiz. Your answers may be different tomorrow. Just put the letter on how you feel today. Let's begin the quiz. So the first question is, when I get to the campsite, I, A, start a fire, pull out the chairs, and kick my feet up. B, take out my map and find the nearest trail. C, log into free Wi-Fi to upload a picture of the campsite. D, pull out a pop-up tent and unload my fast-burning firewood. E, crack a beer and turn on the tunes. So question number 2. For cookware, I pack A, 1 or 2 pots. That usually does the trick. B, only what I can fit in my backpack. C, a Dutch oven, a camping stove, and my panini press. D, 1 cast iron pan that I can cook everything in. And E, nothing. I just use the fire to cook my burgers and dogs. So question number 3, my favorite camping activity is A, hanging out at the campsite, playing cards, or listening to music. B, hiking from sunup to sundown, or hopping on my mountain bike. C, streaming Netflix while I relax in my hammock. D, swimming, walking, whatever's close by. And E, playing drinking games with my friends at the campsite. So question number 4, for breakfast, I usually have A, what everyone else is having. I'm not picky. B, whatever I can make quickly before heading out for the day. C, a breakfast omelet with a side of breakfast potatoes and tomato jam. D, a bowl of cereal. E, a Bloody Mary and a bagel. Question 5, if it starts to rain, A, I go into my tent and enjoy a good book. B, put on my rain clothes and continue trekking. C, go to a dry place and put on a movie. D, put up my pop-up shelter and wait it out. E, make a slip and slide with our tarps. Question number 6, my most expensive piece of camping gear is A, my fishing pole. I love to fish while relaxing on the shore. B, my carbon fiber trekking poles. C, the oriental rug for my tent. D, my cast iron pot. And E, my Bluetooth speaker system. Question number 7. My favorite fireside tunes are A, smooth jazz. It always makes me feel more relaxed. B, I prefer the sounds of nature. C, anything with Wi-Fi. We can listen to everything. D, whatever I can find on my music player. And E, techno keeps me pumped all night. So question number 8. The phrase that best describes my relationship with camping is A, I enjoy the peace and quiet of nature. B, I've been camping my whole life. C, I like getting away but not from the luxuries of life. D, the simplicity of camping is what's important to me. And E, I love drinking with my friends around the campfire. Now all you have to do is count the letter that you answered the most. So if you put down more A's, you're an A. If you put down the most C's, you're a C. So here we go. If you answered mostly A's, your style is relaxed. For you, camping is all about recharging your batteries and enjoying a much-needed escape from the stresses of life. A small campground surrounded by the peace and quiet of nature is just what you need for a perfect camping trip. If you answered mostly B's, your style is adventurous. You don't go camping to sit around the campsite. You go to get active. Find a campground that offers a variety of activities. Some offer hiking, biking, rock climbing, swimming, and fishing. If you answered C, your camping style is glamping. You like being in nature, but the luxuries of home have to come with you. As a glamper, you should look for a campground that offers electrical hookups, free Wi-Fi, laundry, and plenty of space to make yourself at home. So if you answered mostly D's, your style of camping is minimalistic. You don't need much to make your camping weekend a success. Find a campground that's tucked into the wilderness, offering just enough amenities to get by for the weekend. If you answered mostly E's, your style of camping is festive. It's great to be in nature, but for you, camping is really about drinking and hanging out with your friends. Choose a campground that's either remote or doesn't have quiet hours so that you can party with your friends all night long. So I've included a link to this quiz in the description below. So if you'd like to take it on a different day, just check it out yourself. Just go to the description, click on the link. It's our opinion at Let's Go Now Adventures that there is no one real style of camping. You know, in fact, if you took this quiz and you found that your style of camping really didn't fit in any of those categories, that's okay. As a matter of fact, if you took this quiz tomorrow, you may end up in a completely different category. And that just depends on the way you feel. And there are so many different styles of camping. Even on 2 different weekends, your style of camping may change depending on your goals. So whatever your camping style is, all we ask is that you respect nature, respect other campers and their camping styles, and leave no trace. That way we can all enjoy camping for years and years to come. So I hope you had as much fun taking this What Style of Camper Are You quiz. I had a lot of fun the first time I took it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. It'll really help our channel. You know, if you're into camping, consider subscribing to Let's Go Now Adventures and hit the little bell that's next to it so you're notified when we release other camping-related videos. I'm John with Let's Go Now Adventures, and I'll see you on the next adventure.